Hello, my name is Said Othman. I'm from London, UK.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Berhe. I'm a family man of 4 kids. I live in Canada, Ontario.
Hi everyone, my name is Lemia.
I am Mo and we are from Ontario, Canada.
Hi, I'm Natasha. I'm originally from the Netherlands. I'm living in Spain.
My name is Tamer Samad. I am an anesthesiologist and a successful digital business owner.
Hi everyone, my name is Asmina and I'm from Ontario, Canada.
Hi, I'm Jinky and I'm proud to be an international online business owner for a year now.
Hello everyone, my name is Rayal Nafat.
Currently, I'm a computer network administrator and a tech, and I joined this digital business for a better retirement time.
After losing my job a couple of years ago, I realized that nothing was secure.
As my job trucking is long distance, doesn't allow me to spend time with my kids, and even it is not financially secure in the future.
One of the main reasons we joined this digital business was to have a backup plan for our income because of the pandemic.
Especially with the current economic situation, with everything that's going on around us, there's no such thing as security.
If you are really interested to have a successful digital business and have your plan B or early retirement or a passive income online, listen to me carefully.
The reason that makes this business unique is no formal business knowledge are required. There is a step-by-step video training, and there is a business study, business research, and business plan included. There is a back-end funnel to work on your behalf for your emails follow-up. Don't forget there are over 84,000 positive, like-minded business partners there to help you.
Not having any previous experience at all in the digital world, I'm happy to say I pulled it off, and I've been doing so for nearly 2 years.
Losing our jobs has helped us transition to having more time building this online business for our children's future and enable us to continue to help our extended family.
After a few months, I don't even be a truck driver anymore, by just showing me a lot of progress and my income freedom.
I started this business and it was really a great help. Now today, I can help anyone looking for this chance.
Everyone will be assigned a personal mentor and all the tools and training are provided.
Me and my coaches literally can teach you how to start your online business from scratch.
The fact that I own and I run my own digital business, that's a big accomplishment for myself, for someone who has never run a business before. I didn't know the ABC of anything. And just the mere fact that this business provides you all the tools, all the training, all the systems.
This is a business, work smart but not work hard. I hope with this all unique benefits to join. As I joined and I'm benefiting, I'm having my free time, you will join too.
You can work anytime from anywhere. All you need is your laptop or phone and an internet connection.
We have an amazing training and coaching system, and also a very supportive and positive community that will allow you to have a successful digital business, and we will help you and support you all the way.
This has worked for me and for thousands of people in the community. And who knows, this might work for you as well.
And I look forward to seeing you in. Take care and stay safe.
Just hit the Learn More button and join us now. Assalamu alaikum.